Today I'm going to show you how to make neon text in Photopea step by step, even if you're completely new to it. This is a really fun effect for thumbnails, posters, banners, and social media graphics, and the best part is that you can make it look professional in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and create a brand new document. Go up to File, then click New, and choose a canvas size that fits your project. For a neon effect, the background matters a lot because neon text looks much brighter on a dark surface. So set your background to a dark grey or pure black. Something like 0 of 0 of 11 works great. A dark canvas helps the glow stand out and makes the text look much more realistic. Next, grab the type tool by pressing T on your keyboard and type out the word or phrase you want to turn into neon text. For the font, choose something bold, rounded, or even a script style if you want that classic tube-light look. Fonts like Bungee or Monotone can work really well, and script fonts can give you that bent neon sign feeling. If you want your neon text to look more authentic, keep the font thick enough so the glow has something to wrap around. Now change the text color. A really important detail here is that neon text usually doesn't start with a fully bright color in the center. Instead, the center of a real neon tube often looks white or very close to white, with the glow spreading outward into your chosen neon color. So set the text to white or to a very pale version of your target color. For example, if you want pink neon, use a pale pink center so the core still feels bright and hot. Once your base text is in place, it's time to add the glow effects. In the Layers panel, double-click the text layer to open the Layer Style window. This is where the neon magic happens. The first effect you want is Inner Glow. Turn that on and set the blend mode to screen. Keep the opacity at 100%. For the color, choose a bright, saturated version of your neon shade, like a vibrant hot pink if you're making pink neon. Then lower the size to somewhere between 3 and 8 pixels. You want the inner glow to stay tight so it hugs the inside edge of the text and makes the center look like it's lit from within. After that, turn on outer glow. This is the main light source for your neon effect. Again, set the blend mode to screen and keep the color the same bright neon shade you used before. Set the opacity somewhere between 80 and 90% so it stays vivid but not blown out. Then, increase the size to around 15 to 25 pixels. That controls how far the glow spreads away from the text. If you want the glow to feel stronger and more dramatic, increase it slightly. If it feels too blurry, scale it back a bit. You can also add a small amount of wash red, around 5 to 10%, to give the glow more punch near the edges. Now, for the final layer style trick, add a drop shadow, but don't think of it like a normal shadow. In this case, we're using it to create a soft atmospheric haze behind the neon text. Set the blend mode to screen so it brightens instead of darkens. Use the same neon color or a slightly deeper version if you want more depth. Bring the opacity down to around 60%. Set the distance to 0 pixels so the effect stays centered behind the text, then increase the size a lot, somewhere around 50 to 80 pixels. This gives you that soft ambient glow that makes the text feel like it's actually radiating light into the background. Once all 3 effects are set, click OK and take a look at your result. If the glow feels too strong, go back into layer style and fine-tune the sizes and opacity. If the neon looks too weak, increase the outer glow or make the background darker. Small adjustments make a big difference here, and that's what helps the effect look polished instead of flat. If you want to take it even further, you can duplicate the text layer for extra brightness or add a subtle blur layer behind it for an even stronger sign-like effect. But even with just these steps, you'll already have a clean, eye-catching neon text design in Photopea. So that's how to make neon text in Photopea the easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.